Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be relaxing my hair after 1 year of rocking natural hair. My natural hair journey has come to an end. It was beautiful while it lasted. I am relaxing my hair because I got tired of rocking natural hair, and to be honest, it's a lot of work. I am relaxing my hair myself for the very first time, but I have done a lot of relaxing for my friends and family, so I am not worried about it. I started by partitioning my hair into 4 sections. 4 sections because my hair is short and this gives me more opportunities to work with each sections easily. I did not bother about making each section equal. I just partitioned them and held each section down with sectioning clips. The section doesn't have to be neat, just clear enough to give you a good path to work with. After partitioning, I went ahead to apply TCB hair cream around the skin layer of my head, my forehead and all around to the back, just to avoid burning and prevent my hairline. Vaseline, shea butter and any other type of cream can work perfectly for this. For the relaxer kit, I'll be using Lush Relaxer. This is no lie relaxer, cream base. It's my first time of trying it out and I hope it doesn't burn my scalp. To prepare and mix my relaxer, I use a plastic container as my mixing bowl. I mixed 1A and 1B together as stated in the instruction on the sachet. You need to mix it very well so both mixtures combine properly and gives a yogurt-like consistency. I used a spoon to mix it, but if you have a spatula, it can work perfectly as well. I like to start from the back and move upward. Since my hair is completely natural, I apply the relaxer all over. If it were to be a relaxed hair, I would have started from the root and avoid the tips of the hair. But because my hair is natural from root to the tip, so I focused both on the roots and also on the tip of the hair. After finishing the back section, I moved on to the next one and repeat the same process until the final section. One thing I don't do is to apply relaxer directly to my edges. My hairline is very thin, so I usually do that at the very end. However, while combining, the relaxer still ends up touching the edges of my hair one way or the other. So I just have to let go of it like that. I spent about 10 minutes applying the relaxer, then I tried to comb it out. Combing takes a while actually. At first I was using this rat tail comb, but my hair was still very thick, so I just had to switch to a white tooth comb to detangle. The white tooth comb made it easier for me to comb my hair and make it easy for me to go in with the tail comb also. I combed the hair through section by section, making sure it was properly detangled. Then I mix the relaxer well with my hair and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. The combing process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So altogether I spent like roughly 30 minutes to apply the relaxer. Duration and tolerance depends on individual's hair texture and scalp sensitivity. But generally, this relaxer didn't burn me at all, even with my sensitive scalp. To rinse it off, I use water that is not too cold and not too warm. Rinsing this way makes wash day and relaxing day easier. I just bend down towards the tap. I rinse through until I couldn't feel any relaxer residue. Then I went straight into shampooing. For shampoo, I used the one that came with the package. I shampooed twice. But if your hair is longer, I think it will be wise to shampoo like 4 to 5 times. This is just to remove the smell of the relaxer and also to stop the relaxing process. To condition, I condition with the same conditioner that comes with the pack of that relaxer. This relaxer costs about 1,000 naira to 1,200 naira depending on your location in Nigeria. To condition, I rub the conditioner all through my hair. I massage it very well into my hair. After doing the massaging, I went straight to comb it out so that it's going to lose any knots that is there. Then after that, I waited for a few minutes before I rinsed out. After the rinse off, I went to air dry my hair. One of the things I don't do to my hair is applying it, and I think it has actually helped my hair grow so well. In the past, when I used to use blow dryer to dry my hair, it was too much for my hair to handle and it actually damaged my hair, and that was like some years ago. But I don't do that anymore, so I allow my hair to dry naturally. I'm just going to leave it out to dry all by itself. And also after relaxing, I like to wait for like a week before doing any hairstyle, because I believe that just to allow it to like relax a bit. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to say, but I don't do any hairstyle. So I waited for 1 week before I'm going to do any hairstyle. So immediately after relaxing, I just tied my hair into a bun. this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this my new hairstyle. Did the relaxer break my hair? Because I think so. Or do you prefer the natural look? Anyways guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.